Continuing coverage tonight of a local child porn case today in federal court. Keiron Mann is set to spend 40 years in prison for possessing images and videos of 3 boys. News 13's Justin Hinton joins us live from the federal courthouse in Asheville. What are the victims' families saying, Justin?
Well, one mother said that she wished that he received 50 years, which would have been the maximum punishment. Now, the prosecutor said that one family was, quote, crushed and wrecked by everything that has taken place, and that attending today's sentencing would have been too difficult. Inside the federal courthouse, Keiron Mann's attorney asked for the minimum sentence for her client, citing sexual abuse he received as a child and his age after serving 25 years in prison. But those pleas were countered by the prosecutor, asking for the maximum punishment of 50 years, primarily to protect the public and restitution to the victim's family of $50,000, all for crimes investigators with the Homeland Security and Henderson County Sheriff's Office say took place over several years with 3 different boys.
It comes down to monitoring the individuals as closely as they can and repeat visits to their homes to see what they're doing and who they're doing it with.
Agent David Magdich with Homeland Security says that's what prevents sex offenders from repeating their crimes, as was the case, he says, with Mann.
We received a tip here in Hendersonville from our Cyber Tip Center regarding Mr. Mann, and we coordinated with the Henderson County Sheriff's Office and worked the investigation into him, received the search warrant for his property, and then went in and subsequently arrested him for violations of child pornography laws.
According to a probable cause affidavit, investigators found a number of videos and images on Mann's confiscated devices, one of which appeared to show Mann and a prepubescent boy engaging in a sexual act.
They did not know he was a registered sex offender. Trusted friend of the family, so nothing surprises me. No, he should go away for 100 years.
Instead, the judge settled on 40 years, upheld the $50,000 restitution payment, and recommended a facility in Massachusetts for sex offender treatment. Mann was also given an opportunity to speak before he was sentenced. He said, quote, "I have a serious problem." He also said he'd like to think that there's more to him than this, and that this is a difficult part of his life. Reporting live in Asheville, Justin Hinton, News 13.